loves, good morning. I'm not using the mic, but I hope the quality is okay. How are you all doing? The last time I spoke to you guys was on Friday. Today is Sunday. Yesterday I went for hunting, hence why I couldn't catch up to vlog, neither update you guys about my movements, because I went out on Friday night, right? I came back very late. I didn't sleep. I was working. I only slept for about 2 hours. Then I got up. I traveled to Ugiri for hunting, and yesterday was that day in my life that I felt like I've been slacking a lot, especially with my fitness journey here and there. Normally when I work for like 6-8 hours straight, I don't even feel it. But yesterday we only worked for like, let's say 7 hours thereabouts, and I felt it. The moment it was like 4 hours into the journey, or let's say 5 hours thereabouts, my legs were already paining me, and I was like, is it not saving me? And it's actually because I've not been keeping fit. I've just been indoor. I don't work out at home. I don't go to the gym. I hardly even step out. It's only whenever I want to do groceries and buy things outside, that's the only time I go out. Even when I get invites for, parties here and there, outing, I don't go. But I felt it yesterday. Anyway, today's Sunday and it feels so good to be back talking to you guys. I have my glass of Nescafe here, both the 3-in-1 and Nescafe Good Blend. Is that the name? You already know what I'm talking about, I believe. So I'm about to have this, and I've already showered. The day is about to start improper because I'll be editing today. I really want to put out the hunting video that I shot yesterday. I really want to put it out probably tomorrow or Tuesday. So I have to start the editing today. Actually, I have other videos that ought to come up before the hunting, but due to my last experience, no gatekeeping. I don't think I really want to shoot in bulk like that any longer. Once I'm shooting, I'm putting it out. Once I'm shooting, I'm putting it out. I hope it works, because I think I love the fact that I do bulk shoots, because it helps me to rest a little bit, so that when I shoot back to back for like a month, 2 months, the following month I can be indoor. I don't have to step out, and I will still have content for you all. But sometimes experience will make some things about you change, even though I know that is not the best right now, like having to just saying, oh, I'm shooting, I'm putting out here and there. The best is to get a backup, but I can't afford to get the backup right now, so I have to do what I need to do. And yeah, that's the update. I just came here to come and say hello, good morning, happy Sunday, how you doing? Hope you're good. Let's have this glass of Nescafe and we get into work. It tastes so good. I don't know, there's something about coffee for me. It's just life. Oh, heavenly. Lest I forget, throughout yesterday, you guys would not believe that this girl did not eat. Like throughout yesterday, when I came back at night, I had to eat, but I lost appetite. I was just tired. I went to the shower, I bathed, and came to the bed straight. Like, I was just like, I need to sleep. It was funny, unbelievable. I didn't eat throughout the day, but it's okay. It's not killing. It's fine. I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing? I hope you're well. Today is Monday and I'll be going hunting. I'm actually dressed. I'll be traveling to Ogun State today. I'll be going to a village called Olojo. That is where we'll be hunting today. And I made breakfast. I'm even happy that I did because the last time I went, that was on Saturday. I didn't get to eat throughout, so I don't want the same thing to repeat itself. Hence why I decided to make oats. I have less than 30 minutes to check out of this house. I'll be going with my favorites. So I have to be very fast now. And oh my gosh, I did not withdraw cash. I've forgotten, honestly. I have less than 3,000 naira here. So I have 2,500. Oh my days. I have to get out of this house. I have to leave this house now because to withdraw alone, to withdraw to CPOSF now one kind job. It will take some time and which charger is this? Okay, charger alone. Aloma forgot his charger with me on Saturday, so I'm going with it. And yeah, I just came here to update you because the next time you'll be seeing me is when we're back from the trip. That reminds me, I need to go. I need to take supplements.